Gujarat, an emerging global superpower in technology, infrastructure and people, has been spearheading many market-driven innovations. Good governance is the key to the nation's progress. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi has given the vision that technology must bridge the divide between government and citizens. Digital India aims to transform the country into a digitally empowered society. Under the valuable guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Srimati Anandiben Patel, Government of Gujarat has been consistently working towards the achievement of this goal. Extending the efforts of Government of Gujarat, Surat Municipal Corporation has tremendously harvested the information technology sector in order to provide robust e-governance to bring the citizens closer to the government. Surat Municipal Corporation is moving ahead with citizen-centric governance by implementing Geographical Information System (GIS) to shape decisions effectively, fostering urban growth management as well as transparent and timely services for citizens. SMC, a pioneer local body in Gujarat for integrated GIS project, has implemented the design, development and implementation of GIS application along with GIS database for an effective monitoring. Detailed georeference digital base map is generated using high-resolution satellite imagery and NUIS guidelines enveloping 326 square kilometers of SMC. Various administrative political boundaries, town planning, utility modules, property and 1:500 scale slum maps are generated with attributed data capacitating easy administrative flow. With user-friendly web-based GIS system developed for various departments can be availed in just few clicks. System-enabled database is equipped with information like land information system for town planning, town development and building permission for efficient administration. A well-organized utilities module for water supply, sewerage, drainage, street light and roads helps in developing and planning a better infrastructure. Slum MIS system as per RAY guidelines helps the policymakers to take efficient decisions effectively. Property tax module serves as a better monitoring, tracking and effective tax collection system with accurate database. Web-based GIS system can analyze more scenarios more promptly, giving decision makers more choices. Benefits of using GIS in local government are: increases efficiency, saves time and money, generates revenue, provides decision support, improves accuracy, manages resources, automates tasks, community-based design and planning, economic development, and thus improving the quality of life. GIS has transformed the stereotypical system into a modern citizen-friendly system. Harnessing the power of IT, SMC adopts innovative technologies in its early phases and utilizes it for better governance, improving operational efficiency and increasing ease of interaction with citizens. This cutting-edge technology and innovation has enabled a better urban livelihood by administering a transparent system.